There's something about sour foods that cuts through the gloom of rainy days. It's more than just a craving, it's primal, instinctive, and deeply connected to how our bodies and minds work. And no, this isn't just about taste. It's about survival, tradition, and the way our senses respond to the world around us. In places where the rain pours endlessly, sour foods dominate the table. Think of tangy tamarind soups in Southeast Asia, pickled vegetables in Eastern Europe, or sharp, fermented flavors in coastal regions. These aren't random culinary choices. These are lifelines, rooted in centuries of understanding how to thrive when the world feels heavy and damp. Rainy climates often bring a sense of heaviness, not just in the weather but in our bodies. High humidity can dull our energy, slow digestion, and leave us feeling bloated or lethargic. Sour foods. They're the antidote. They cut through that sluggishness, waking up our systems with a jolt of acidity that stimulates digestion, sharpens our appetite, and even boosts mood. The acidity in sour foods helps balance pH levels in the gut, which is crucial for keeping your digestion running smoothly, especially in humid, rainy conditions. But it's not just about biology. Sour foods bring a psychological clarity that rainy weather tends to steal from us. That's that sharpness on your tongue. It's like a wake-up call for your senses. When the rain drowns everything in gray, sour flavors cut through, reminding you that there's brightness, even in the storm. And then there's the cultural angle. In rainy regions where food preservation is a constant challenge, souring techniques, fermenting, pickling, curing, became necessities. People learned to embrace the sharp tang of sour flavors because it was the taste of survival. Those techniques didn't just keep food safe, they turned it into something vibrant, something that brought life to meals during endless downpours. Now think about this, sourness is divisive. It's not a flavor that everyone loves immediately. It shocks the palate, challenges you, and demands attention. That's why it's perfect for rainy places. It mirrors the intensity of the environment. It's bold, it's bracing, and it refuses to fade into the background. There's a reason why people instinctively reach for sour foods when the skies turn dark. It's not just about flavor, it's about balance. It's about bringing energy and lightness to a world that feels heavy and damp. And that's what makes sour foods so fascinating. They don't just satisfy hunger. They change how you feel. So next time it rains, pay attention to your cravings. You might find yourself longing for something tangy, sharp, or puckering. That's your body speaking to you, reminding you that sourness isn't just a taste, it's a response, a remedy, a rebellion against the weight of the rain.